Hi guys, welcome to One Diaz.
Yes, you guys, check this out. We found the Racer Stunt series on Amazon. It's the Vapor series. It's red and blue. Kind of looks like Spider-Man. Let's look inside here, you guys. Oh my goodness, look. Here are the wheels. Here is the remote control.
And here's this battery thing.
Oh, it's a rechargeable battery. That's going to be super nice. And here
it
are
has
the directions.
It has a spider on it too. Whoa, that's so cool. Look at the wheels. Look what they can do.
Yeah, it's going to flip. Isn't that cool? All right, you guys, check this out. He can move around and flip. Oh my goodness. Sister, are you ready to play with him?
Yes, I am.
Awesome. We're going to set it up and show you what it looks like.